HP 250G8. HP 250G8 15F HD Core i5-11th Gen laptop. 11th Gen Intel Core i5-1135G7, up to 4.2 GHz with 8 MB, 4 cores processor. Intel Iris Z graphics. 8 GB DDR4 memory 1 TB HDD. RJ45, Ethernet, port HDMI v1. 4B, cable sold separately, USB 3.2 General 1 Type-C, data transfer only, headphone, microphone combo jack. Two, USB-A 3.2 General 1 type of ports AC power port. The HP 250G8 laptop keeps up with mobile work styles with a thin and light design. The beautiful display with its narrow border design and big screen-to-body ratio provides ample space for work or streaming content. Full-sized textured island-style keyboard. 15.6 diagonal, FHD, SVA, anti-glare WLED, 250 nits EDP micro edge, 45% NTSC, 1920 by 1080. 720p HD camera. Integrated stereo speakers, integrated dual digital microphone. HP Smart 45W external AC power adapter. High performance, high portability help speed up demanding business applications with a quad-core 11th Gen Intel Core processor, with breakthrough Intel Iris Z graphics. Help secure critical data. The Trusted Platform Module, TPM, embedded security chip provides hardware-based encryption keys to help secure your data, email, and user credentials. Once again, HP has decided to play their favorite game and has hidden most of this laptop's screws beneath the two rubber feet. After you locate and undo all 8 of the Phillips head screws, turn the laptop around, open it and start prying the bottom panel off the chassis. Memory-wise, you get 2 RAM SODIMM slots, which support dual-channel mode. According to some sources, they can fit up to 32 GB in total. In terms of storage, there is one M.2 slot, which should fit both NVMe and SATA drives. Also, there is a 2.5-inch SATA drive bay. For cooling, the manufacturer has used a very thin but long heat pipe. Thankfully, the sizes of the heat sink and the fan look decent.